I have this data set of a classroom routine and I want to position this particle group here at the center so that the ABC fall under the header called group. And I also have some other cell clusters which I want to merge. Now the question is, how do I do it? So first, select the cells you want to merge. And then under the Home tab, select the option Merge and Center. Done. Now let me merge the other cells to reorganize the table. And by the way, you can do this with the keyboard shortcuts as well. To do that, first press the Alt and H together. Now you may see different letters appearing above each icon. The Merge and Center has the letter M. Press M. In the drop-down menu, again the Merge and Center option appears with the letter C. Now press C and it's done. Now if you want to unmerge anything, again click on the Merge and Center option and it will be done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.